Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to control notification sounds separately. And you can ask, what does it mean? So basically, if you're annoyed with the fact that you cannot really control the notification sound separately from the sound volume itself, then I can show you how to fix it. So whenever I'm trying to use volume up or volume up or volume down button, and I'm opening more modes, you can see that we've got only 3 of them. So we've got the media, ringtone, and the alarm sound. And to add the notifications here, we have to open the settings, then scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. And here we've got the option control notification sounds. So let's tap on the switcher on this option, and now we can adjust the volume of the notification sound separately. So let's check it. Let me just press the volume and open the options. And as you can see here, we've got this additional bar, which is simply connected with the notifications, so we can separately change the volume for the notifications and for the media, for example, or the ringtone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.